Good afternoon. Thank you all for coming. My name is Bob Rubin, and I think you know by now that I, together with my law partner Jason Sheffield, have been retained to represent Travis McMichael. I can share with you that we have done an initial investigation and we are committed to doing a thorough, complete, and accurate investigation of the facts in this case. We had a conversation this morning with the prosecution team. We have a great deal of respect for Ms. Holmes and the Cobb County DA's office. And we have a mutual pledge with them to handle this case professionally and responsibly, because we are all too aware how high the emotions are running in this case. Jason and I have been practicing criminal law for longer than I care to state on national TV. We know the pain felt by our clients in these cases, by their families in these cases, by their friends in these cases. And so our hearts go out to the Arbery family, because although we don't stand in their shoes, we understand their pain and we sympathize with them. No matter how you look at this case, a young man has died, and that is always a tragedy. And that is at the forefront of our minds as we proceed down this road. But that does not mean that a crime has been committed. Jason and I have spent most of our adult lives fighting for justice, fighting against injustice. We have represented people in all segments of society. We know firsthand the unfairness, the indignities, the burdens that are put upon people accused of crimes, some people more than others. We have laid awake at night trying to think of what else can we do for our clients. We have sweated blood together to do everything we can to fight for justice for everybody, for all segments of society, because we know how oppressive the machinery of the government can be. And that is why, as I stand here today in front of you, I am so saddened at where we are in this matter. People who know better than to rush to judgment. People who know better than to engage in stereotyping are rushing to judgment, are stereotyping. And that saddens me, because those are people I truly ally with most of the time. In some countries, when the government accuses you of a crime, you have a show trial. You get convicted and you get sent to prison. Or even worse, you disappear altogether. But we understand here that when the government accuses you of a crime, how easy it is to accuse. And so we have that presumption of innocence. And we have that due process of law with rights for every individual accused of a crime.